In the United States, suicide is the second leading cause of death among young people. In fact, in a given year, 30,000 individuals will commit suicide and over 250,000 will be treated for suicide attempts. It is important to address this subject because I believe too often it is put in the back burner. We have a lot of young people in our communities who are battling against their emotions, and they don't feel that they can express those feelings out of fear of being judged. Some of us are fighting tough emotional battles, and we wish we had someone who would be willing to listen and seek to understand our feelings. But some of us are not comfortable talking to our parents, elderly, or leaders in our churches to tell them. Because imagine if you will tell them this: I'm depressed. I think I'm addicted to sex. I can't go through my day without drugs or alcohol. I've been molested or raped. I think I want to kill myself. Instead of church leaders finding proper resources to help those young people, they automatically pass judgment without getting to the core of their problems. They might not even believe them, and some may even tell you, you're not praying or reading your Bible enough. Which leaves us with the idea that depression and mental illness is a lack of spiritual connection with God, which is false. I truly understand the importance of faith and prayer because that is a foundation that we've been going through for decades to help us go through life's crisis. But it is not our only solution because God equipped professionals with the knowledge and wisdom to help us here on earth. For this reason, we are launching a program called Save Souls. Save Soul is a program focusing on suicide prevention, targeting adolescents and young adults, specifically in our Haitian communities who are at risk of suicide and are afraid to seek help due to fear of criticism and judgment in our churches. To start this movement, Save Soul will be organizing a mental health event on March 31st, which will be held simultaneously in Florida, Georgia, Massachusetts, and New York by partnering with PDF Ministries, Phasia, which will also have their program that entire weekend, South Atlantic Conference Haitian Youth Federation, New Franco Haitian Youth Federation, New England Haitian Youth Federation, and Spirit of Praise. The purpose of this event is to bring mental health awareness to people in our churches who suffers silently. We will be focusing on suicide prevention and targeting at-risk adolescents and young adults in our Haitian communities who are afraid to seek help due to fear of judgment and criticism in their community. We want to help those who don't have the knowledge or tools to better cope with life's crisis. We will accomplish this by bringing in psychologists and therapists who are well equipped to provide answers and solutions to the public. This event creates a platform to those who are at risk while maintaining confidentiality. It allows those who have questions to get professional answers and allow access to a therapist to those who are financially incapable. Remember, this may be a sister, a brother, or your friend going through this and you have no idea. So I encourage you to share this video and most importantly, bring a friend along on March 31st. And if you are a mental health professional therapist or just someone who wants to volunteer either their time, money, or resources in our community, reach me via my email, obel@savesoulsministry.org. Let us help save souls physically, spiritually, and mentally. God bless.